Russian President Vladimir Putin has blasted the West as, quote, completely insane for allowing children to be taught that there's no biological sex. During an event at the Valdai Discussion Club in Sochi, Putin said the woke crusade against traditional gender roles was, quote, subverting human nature.
The advocates of this new approach want to dismiss and destroy the very ideas, the concepts of man and woman. They're talking about parent number one and parent number two, the birthing parent instead of saying mother, or, for example, they no longer like to say breastfeeding, they use feeding with human milk or something like that. It's completely insane.
The Russian leader sees parallels between today's social justice mobs and communist revolutionaries in the 1920s who tried to forcibly alter behavior by deforming language.
In fact, this newspeak is something that they believe they could use to affect human consciousness.
Putin also blamed far-left parents for imposing their warped ideas on children, calling the process, quote, simply monstrous.
Children, from the very young age, children are being told that they have a choice in becoming a girl or a boy. They're actually almost being imposed that's being imposed on them, without consulting any children's psychologists or any professionals. Is a child really capable of making a decision like that? That almost seems like a crime against humanity, and all of it's done under the banners of progress.
The president concluded his commentary on the issue with an ominous warning.
Well, if they like that, let them do that, and we'll see what happens.
This isn't the first time that Putin has skewered the clown world being built by Western progressives. He previously asserted that ruling elites have made liberalism obsolete because its new incarnation, quote, conflicts with the interests of the overwhelming majority of the population. He also said multiculturalism is, quote, no longer tenable. And it doesn't matter what you think of Putin, whether you think he's an autocrat, a dictator, or a monster. Fact is, he's right. To get exclusive content, early access, behind-the-scenes stuff, and to personally interact with me, please sign up for my community at pauljosephwatson.locals.com. Link in description, and thank you for your generous support.